Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and vibration and here select volume, and here you can adjust ringtone volume and other volumes. First available is ringtone volume. If you would like to increase ringtone volume, move this point to the right side to increase volume. Okay, if you move this point to the left side, volume will be decreased, that is ringtone volume will be decreased. Okay, you can set at a desired level. In a similar way, you can increase or decrease volume for other options like media notification system. Okay, see here, this is media volume. Okay, if you would like to increase media volume, move to the right side. If you would like to decrease media volume, move to the left side. Okay, you can set at desired level. Okay, in a similar way, you can increase or decrease notification volume too. Okay, to increase notification volume, move to the right side. To decrease notification volume, move to the left side. Okay, in the similar way, you can change it for system sound. Okay, you can increase system's volume or you can decrease system volume. Okay, to increase you go to move to the right side, to decrease you go to move to the left side. Okay, so this is one of the method to increase or decrease ringtone volume and other volumes. Alternatively, you can just press volume up button or volume down button. Okay, both buttons are available on the right side of our phone here. Okay, just you can press up volume up button or volume down button. Okay, see here, I press volume down button and this bar will appear. Okay, this is called media volume. Okay, if you press volume up button, also media volume option will available. Okay, will be appearing. Okay, now I press, you can press any button. I press the volume down button and media volume option is appearing. Just click on this horizontal dots, 3 dots, and here you can change ringtone volume and other volumes. Okay, press this side button, that is volume up button or volume down button, and then go to this 3 horizontal dots and here you can change volume. Okay, this is called system volume. Okay, if you move up, volume will be increasing. If you move down, volume will be decreasing. Okay, this is for notification volume and this is for ringtone volume and this is for media volume. Okay, so in these two methods you can adjust ringtone volume and other volumes in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.